What's up, everybody? I'm Antonio, and today I'm disassembling some pallets, and I thought I'd show you guys a cool little trick that I learned. If you guys have these stubborn nails that don't want to come out of your pallets when you're disassembling them, I got a little trick for you to take them out. And all you need for this trick is your handy dandy crowbar and some vice grips. So when you have stubborn nails like these, you have your crowbar, you put your crowbar on the wood or on the nail, you go to pull it out, and the head just breaks off. Look at that. The head breaks off. There's nothing you can do to take that nail out. If you guys can see, the head just breaks clean off. How do we fix that? Well, I'm going to show you right now. All you want to do is get your vice grips, grab onto that nail nice and firm, get your crowbar, and wedge it under your vice grips, and now you can pull it. And just like that, you got your nail out in less than a minute. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys just a couple more. Get that right on there. Put the crowbar right in. And pull it right out. And just like that, you pull out a couple nails in but a few seconds. What did that take? Maybe 10 seconds? Now, every once in a while, you come across that one nail that still doesn't come out. Even though you're using your vice grips, you're using your crowbar, nothing is working. Fortunately, these ones are all coming out, but just in case that happens to you, I'm going to show you option number 2, which is use a drill. Get your bit. You want to put it, so let's do one of these nails. Put it right next to the nail and drill a hole right in there. Not too deep. Maybe I'm going to say 1/4 to 1/2 inch, depending on how well your nail is wedged in there. But once you have your hole in there, you can look right in there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the hole has exposed some of the nail on the inside, which means that it has loosened the grip on your nail. And once that grip on your nail has been loosened, you should either be able to just yank it right out with the crowbar, like that. See how much easier that one was to take out than the other one? Or if it still doesn't come out, go ahead and grab your vice grips, put that right on there, and try again. And voila, just like that, you have removed those stubborn, pesky nails that just don't want to come out of your wood.